Good morning, guys. Yeah, I bought this from Kmart. Yeah, this is basically a multifunction bike tool. Yeah, because I have my bike and I'm always using my bike. Never had a problem with my bike, but it is always better to have something like this. This is a multifunction bike tool. Yeah, in case of emergency, I can have this ready in my bag or in the pocket of my bag. Let's unbox it and let's see how it works. Okay, we open this and this is what you're going to see here. There's nothing much more here, just this, and it comes with this. One is different size, 15mm, 13, 12, and how is this? Yeah, 12 and yeah, and it comes also with this again. How is that? It's locked or what? Yeah, and these sorry mate, and these different sizes, nice. And of course with these, yeah, there is a screwdriver and Phillips and these things. Yeah, so I think this is going to be very useful, but I'm still hoping that not to encounter any problem when I'm out and about with my bike. Oh, it's stuck. How this works? Yeah, how is this work? It's locked. Okay, oh yeah, you can separate it like this and you can put it together. So basically when I open it was there is a sliding area in here where you can put it there together, and it's can separate, so it's like a two pieces of tools. The first one with these Phillips and this screw, nice. And of course this one for the wheel if you want to change the wheel, and this is the second part with this, comes with this. Yeah, okay, I got it. So basically in here there is a lock where you can just push this like this and you can move it like that. Yeah, and it's going to lock again. Just open it like this and you can have this. It comes with a 15mm, 13mm, 12 and 10 and 9. Awesome.